dumpling. So you never eat oats dumpling before?
No.
New to me.
Liquor, you ever eat oats dumpling? Oats dumpling. Free, you ever eat oats dumpling yet?
Oats?
Yeah. No. Is it because oats dumpling I eat almost every day. One of my special lad.
Yeah.
You ever eat that lady?
No.
Never. Esther, do you ever eat it?
No.
So you see a lot of them do. Viewers, you ever eat it yet? You ever eat oats dumpling before? No. See there, wow chef, you never eat oats. You never eat oats dumpling. Natisha, you ever eat oats dumpling yet?
No. Maybe when I fry it.
Alright guys, so this is it now. Oats dumpling. So I make it go on. Smell good, right? Jeez. For me, your Esther, I say it smell good. Oh, look. How it come here? How the pot look?
Look different.
Different.
I think if him like roast,
Yeah, be a mother.
Yo, this guy work with.
Yeah.
Stop drink oats porridge.
Yeah.
Come over and drink oats porridge and mix oats with the last time mix.
Yeah.
What is the oats and dumpling? My God. God.
You are going now. Alright.
Yo.
Alright.
You know, flavor food here.
To the back.
Back food, huh?
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Mr. Mark, all as well?
Yeah.
Alright, big up. Whoa!
Not there, you know. Yeah, man. Sick man in love New York today.
Yeah, I got a great Mikey Brown. Yeah.
Oh, I never saw him so come. Yeah, yeah.
We have Mighty Joe Young in the building.
Let me what the key though.
Sour pie. Sour pie.
No, you can't do that.
Maureen, baby, oh baby there. Baby there.
When?
Baby, can't sleep. Well, guys, as you can see, we are back here again on it. You know, like Sonic. You know, remember, please to like before watching when you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Today, we're back on it again. Heading up to Scanner, you know, to see what we can do today. You know, naturally give us that extra day today. And you know, once we get that extra day, we're going to put it to use. Oh Lord, we have younger Denny's rolling through in the street in our work uniform.
Going on the struggle.
And the struggle.
Right.
Make the, make the finger muscle them work.
Me I tell you,
looking out
make
for
two
those.
ends then meet.
Of course. Not
No.
two, not three.
Aye.
Going on it. Looking
All
out
the
for the
ends
patients then, right?
So right.
Alright, so guys, look at this dead cat in the road. Oh gosh, then splash him out.
Charlie Kindo.
Guys, I'm asking about cash pot. What number you buy? Oh shit. Yes guys, remember please put the thumbs up if you're watching, you know. Always remember to support us by putting the thumbs up, you know. And if you're new to the program, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. And we're here in Trenchtown, you know, helping out the less fortunate. Cause you know we've been all around, you know, we try to help each and everywhere we go. Oh, the ladder. I'm going to turn this way where the light is shining bright, you know. So, yeah man guys, so remember please to support the program, you know, support each and every one. You know, so ask, you know, please put the thumbs up when you're watching.
And the likes and the subscribe,
yeah, and
right?
the
and the share,
and tell a friend
and
to tell
clean comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a other friend.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, to watch subscribe,
share.
put the thumbs up and share. Because you know, so sharing is caring.
Of course.
Of course, and this is what the program is all about.
So if you ain't sharing, that
ain't
means you
caring.
ain't caring.
Right.
So if you ain't caring, boy, I swear.
Later.
Alright, later. And we have naturals here, grinding slow, but grinding still. Same way. Guys, if you don't use it, please don't thief it, just borrow it. Right? And we have prefect here. Yeah, temporarily. So tell them grinding slow.
Grinding still. Yes, that is it.
That is it. Yes, the new motto. So guys, please, you can borrow it, but don't steal it. Right? Natural already register it. So you know, once you register, it's responsible. Dream team is responsible for it. You know, so from your grinding slow, you're still grinding still. No matter how slow, just go and grind until. Right? That is it. So we're here back today at Scanner. Yesterday, well grind yesterday. Grind it out with the wall. Well, the edge. Scanner.
Nice.
We put in it out today.
My boy, go out.
Joe.
Go out. What?
Yeah man, see man, mighty Joe. Going well with the granite thing.
Yes, man. Same leave already from man. My boy saying it look a bit. Eh? Yeah. So you're gone already? Oh, you do your same here?
Can't go nowhere.
Eh? Gone on the road.
But you edge them still, stand up man Joe. Neat. Neat.
Still young, sir?
Neat.
When I get a chance, calm down.
Naturally, how much paint will I want in the room there?
I got primer first now. I get on a primer and I get on a paint job.
Oh. One gallon of primer and 1 gallon of paint. A gallon is the tin, right? So 1 gallon of primer and 1 gallon of paint.
Yes, sir, man.
We can brush out. We can do that all today, right? Hey, Joe is a man paying fast, you know.
If all possible.
Yeah. Once the ceiling go.
I want to get the equation right today, no?
Yeah. Once the Salatex go up.
Saltex are dry right now there.
Yeah. So once that go up, that left to do.
Some eat chicken in our school and I tell some to give me stomach.
Yeah.
I'm wrong, you know.
It's kind of what color you like in the room? Give me an idea. Which color you like to see in the room? Color paint. No, don't follow natural.
Don't follow natural.
No.
Natural are the real man to follow right.
Which color you can take care of?
Red.
Red? Why you want red?
Red not gonna look good.
Why you want? Why would you want
in
red?
there, man.
I'm gonna put on the name. I'll pass it. Can you see? Scanner, why is it red?
The color.
Same color.
Keep it real, same.
You want the fire red, fire house.
Blazing
fire.
You bad,
You want the blazing fire, right?
yeah.
Blazing fire red.
And one gym team on the house.
You want dream team on the house. Yeah man, we're gonna put it up there because we have it's gonna go up there, don't worry. The man said one dream team on the house.
Alright, lean up better and do it for them. Let me get the thing going.
Alright guys, I hear it's gonna say one dream team on the house, so you know, so we have to go put the dream team sign on it. Right? That's what Scanner recommends they want on the house. The dream team. And I guess we have the badge, you know, because we make Esther order some of them. The template. You can nail it on the wall.
Yeah.
Done by Dream.
Let's put that on the dream team.
Yeah. So we're gonna put it on the wall, that's so boom, and nail it on. Done by Dream Team.
Yeah, man. Register it, you know?
Register it. So most of the work them we do already.
It's certificate.
Yes. The one them we done already, guys. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it said done by Dream Team. Done by Dream Team. Anyone say that's what
put the back limb for us now. Look back.
grinding slow, but we're grinding still.
If it's short, man. I have to tell you for them, but you know, fit suitable.
Yeah.
This 4 side. Get pretty well.
Get them foreign bone.
We're
grinding slow, but we're grinding still. Alright guys, so as you see what we're doing now, we're trying to finish off. You know, we're gonna put up the sauté in the ceiling. You know, and then we're gonna try and get some paint. You know, after the paint now, then we're gonna see if we can get him a bed and a TV. You know, so guys, if you're watching, you know, you're willing to support this movement and help out Scanner on this journey, you know, you can be kindly and just do so. You know, just support him. You know, help out our situation, right? And we thank you so much when you do so. If you cannot help out by giving a donation, you can help out by giving the prayer, you know, praying for someone to help him on his journey. And we thank you so much, you know. So we're trying to get him a bed, and then we're trying to get him a TV, right, to make him comfortable. So today now we want to go and get the paint, and we'll see how fast we can finish the roofing. We can finish the roofing today. We can quickly just paint out inside, you know, and then we're gonna put what's it called? Linoleum.
Yeah.
Get the name right. Linoleum, right? Yeah. Linoleum. Put some linoleum on the floor. You know, some pretty one for Scanner. You know, as you can see, well done. So the sauté now is gonna go right here in the roofing. So you don't need no wire, because the light are going in the middle, right? That's right. Give him a small castle. Scanner getting a small castle. Scanner? Scanner? Yeah, man, you can walk still, you know. Come here, Scanner. Yes, guys, so I have a donation here. And this donation, this person donate and say I can give it to someone that's in need, you know. Anthony, big up yourself. So, True Scanner project is in need, you know. So we're gonna give this donation to Scanner to help out his need and this project here and his aid. You know, so Scanner, we have $8,000 a year for you, you know, because this person must give it to someone that's in need. So through your project is in need. Yeah. We're going to give this $8,000 a year to you from Anthony from Florida. So it's $8,000 from Anthony from Florida.
Anthony, respect and manners. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yes.
And thanks to Kino too.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks for Anthony. We thank you so much. You know, as I say, Anthony said I should give to someone in need, and because as I say, Scanner project is in need. You know, Scanner project is in need, so we're going to put this towards helping out. You know, we're going to buy his bed and anything that we can do. Okay, you know, we have to continue to buy stuff, you know, for help out the situation. So as you can see, we buy material and stuff. So we give thanks and we appreciate each and everyone that supports Scanner on this journey. It's really a blessing and it means a lot, you know. Human being who are helping out each other. Each one help one and each one teach one. I will always give thanks and appreciate natural. I must say when natural say Kino, I've got this time for you. Just work with it. Because the amount of time is precious. Very precious. Very busy man, as I can see. You know, very.
Come in, come in,
come in, dream team. Whoa!
Don't come to sit around. Come to give the time. Time is important. Beer. 8 pieces of bowl and you have to eat it.
This is that beer. Yes, natural love the song, we have to sing it out here. 8 pieces of bowl and eat it with beer. Natural.
Alright, later. Alright, this is a...
You want to take that, Joe?
No, the bottom box.
You want to take out the bed then?
Come on.
Yeah, I'll take out the bed. Take out the bed.
Come on. Put the bed out and door.
Yeah.
I want that. Give me. Me have a ton like can give it man. Me have a ton like.
You like them?
Huh?
You like them?
Have a sweet taste like.
Mikey, what else up in there, Mike? swing this one I can, yes. You have to go that way with it first.
Where did you go last night?
Here one. Put the mattress pan. Put the mattress pan. Come and stand put it sir. Put the mattress pan sir. Let's put by chilling sir. Make it up sir. Can balance pan. Push over it now sir. Tell me. Now ask me.
You have to come out with the sheet.
Same with the sheet.
Yeah.
More trust. No man, we can step on him. Come, what side? A sponge is on a mattress.
The sponge one, as you can see, it's definitely going to need mattress.
Got it. Spin it and push it over sir. Pan it trailing. Hold it up and lift up. Long way the same way. Same way sir. Lift up. Yeah, push it through. Show the end. Hold on your end. Show the way over the man. Common sense. Grab up your partner. And balance it fine. Yeah. Dry it over. Ah, good.
Come over too much.
Come over. No, drop out, man. Just stay, sir. Just swing like a bird.
This kind of can sleep in the tree house.
Oh yeah, bring that
Alright, later.
In the tree house.
Now one man come here, man.
Where the hammer then?
Come here, man. Take out any of that.
See the hammer, yeah. Whoa! Very small fibers can use alone. Natural. Now look how they never need pot.
Stop leak.
Stop leaving me.
Look at that stop leak and then got you have to stop leak from outside.
No,
No man, just step out the one and then put it on for a long board. Anything for a long board look for them, take them out.
We have put a stop leak?
No, I'm going to stop leak. Plug in the extension.
Yeah, yeah. So prevention, you know? So it's not damage too early.
You don't see no more boy.
No more really.
Plug in the extension.
No, keep it. Yeah. Look about.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Pencil left.
Yeah.
So what there?
You left the door yesterday, you know.
Concrete bucket.
See that?
Natural. You know, I'm going to buy the paint and come back. Might as well. Because I can say that Salatex will go up in no time. No, I got that edge cam. Which color you reckon for room, Natural?
I think garden is the most popular color.
Or the one over doing a Dana?
Yeah man.
Garden.
Popular color.
You can give him a garden for sure, bright up in there.
Yeah man. It's you want to turn a light.
Mm-hmm.
You can certain color dark and room with light in it.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to give him a color like room, light up and turn like it get a glazing.
Yeah.
Pretty.
So we get the girl in a garden and a girl in a primer then.
Yeah.
Alright then, so now let's get guys. Get that as well, might as well.
In the hammer.
And we have Michael Brown here. You see, we have Michael Brown volunteer giving his 2 cents out of the 5 cents.
Yeah, which is right.
I will give thanks. You know, so it's an example for whosoever live in the community and want to come and volunteer and give a 2 cents out of your 5 cents. We appreciate, because you know we got the whole chef one for go on as well to work for next. So you know it goes already.
Whole chef project next.
Yeah. Whoa, you know. Easy, yo, Bala. That is it. Good. Yeah, man. So, guys, let me say, we appreciate if you want to volunteer in the community, you want to give a helping hand. We thank you so much. You know, if you're here, you got nothing to do in the community, and you feel like, say, no, I'm going to sit around Dream Team and say, I can move a stone or move something. You know, you can come, volunteer, you know, give us strength, you know, to help out each other. Just the way, or just Mikey, original Boys Town baller. Mikey himself used to play for Boys Town. Baller. You see him come give us strength. I will give thanks for that. So guys, so I'm just gonna get the paint and come back. Go Agri Park and come back. So 1 gallon of Gardena and 1 gallon of primer. You know? So
right to the left, right to the left. That's right. Knock up the lap back up in here, so knock it up back, so give it the center and stroke come here. Good. Put this on.
So we're here at HChem, you know, on Agri Park Road. I think here you get a reasonable price for paint, you know. So this is where we're gonna get the paint for scanner. So we're gonna get the paint here, you know, and start to scanner. Hello.
Come on.
Huh? Okay. Yes, guys. So.
Yes, sir.
You have Gardena. Flow sheet. 1 gallon. And gallon primer. Yeah. So 1 gallon white primer, 1 gallon of Gardena.
Alright, miss. We say one eye paint but not the pick dry. In a white. Regular one, yeah. Yeah.
And the primer?
Primer, I say a white. That's what I get chocolate. You say primer or white?
Where my primer?
I don't know what. The white primer, I say one. White primer, white paint. Yeah.
So, getting the Gardena. Them say no for peep through hole, you know. But them give a hole for peep through. Yeah, hello? Boy. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. How much that? $2,000? No, 1,000? Thank you so much. What a lovely discount. It must be my year. What? Has to be my year, guys. You hear that?
4,916.
Oh, so you say 1,000. Okay. So you could do me that favor, they give me for the 1,000. For God's sake only. The Nike tea. How much more you want? Here. What you say brownie? Brownie, what you say? Cause my ears very clean. You say something. You could pay for it for me. So why you could pay for it for me? But me ask, you could pay for it for me. You could pay for it for me. A charity me do, you know. So I'm gonna help out the needy right now. It's for roadside. But look like you sleep comfortable out there though, because you're looking good for your roadside where you sleep on. Yes. Tell me what kind of help you want.
Some money.
Some money? But you're working, so I guarantee you get money. So why not come work for the Dream Team then and work for free? You volunteer for free, nothing wrong.
What is Dream Team?
That's the name of the program. We do charity program and we help out less fortunate to build a house and them something there. But it's on YouTube, you can check out Kina Life in Jamaica. Right? Yeah, Life in Jamaica.
Kina Life, I think we follow one though.
You follow me?
I think so.
You think so? You should know so. Check your phone and see. YouTube.
I think so.
I don't want you to think more. You
Yeah, I don't want. No, I don't want.
Go for your phone.
I have a price.
It just like It just like
Just like
You see them shirt are coming out.
So it's KINO Life in Jamaica.
Alright, no problem.
Well, if you say you follow it, then you should know.
Alright.
So you're going to see yourself on that one.
I want to make a video.
You say you want help.
When we say so?
Yeah. Nothing wrong.
Somebody we see that married me.
What? Say you don't know, see them know.
Somebody we see that married me. Tell them say yes somebody.
Show them the finger. Say me have ring mark already.
No.
Alright guys.
I like the look of foreign one then, eh?
So she want a foreign husband. You can cook? Can cook?
I can cook, clean and wash.
Alright, so you can cook, clean and wash. So you get the full package. Right? Everything is there. Alright. Ashal, guys, you need to come at HKM. What's your name when them come? What's your name for when them come?
Tash.
Tash. So guys, when you come at HKM, she there here, she named Tash. Okay. She's single and ready to mingle. Right? Only for the foreign ones, them only. Alright, Tash.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Those guys, so I got the paints. Yeah. One gallon of Gardena and 1 gallon of primer. Scan a new look. So Tash is single and she's ready to mingle. You know, I left my life jacket. All when I'm there on dry land. So you never know when time the sea can come take over the land. So you have to roll with the dry with the jacket. You know? So you never know what can happen. The sea can come take over the land. And I have my life jacket to float like boat. You know, so let's hit the road, Jack. Again. Back again. Shady's back. Rosa.
She said she not name so.
Vanium.
6 years now she not name so.
Rosa wife.
And to turn camera so if four Rosa come see.
Four Rosa come see.
Come here Rosa.
Yeah. Left them together. Them belong together.
One thing. I'm upset over him.
What?
And still give me money for me to take me.
Yeah.
Give my buy back food, to buy his food.
That is good.
Give me blessing for that. I think if him buy grocery, I bring them here. If him buy
yeah, be a mother. Yeah. Yeah, she has to go viral. No, she talk goodness still. From you talking good, it's all is well. The world can't hear. So Rose, look after your son. No matter if you're on him left.
Me and him left.
That's a good Ellis. He's a good Ellis.
Him wild, and me and him left 6 years. March I come the 18, but on a 7-year-old. I'm still
look after you.
give me in money. And me and I see. I did man.
I see.
Put you, Miss Rita, go for the camera.
No, lock it off.
It's on. At least Rosa is a good man. Yeah. She said, nah, see it for now. It's not the right resort is not getting it for now.
I wish she said.
I wish she said.
She said. When night come, we don't know what's going on. We're not busy with that part then either.
Yes, I. No. No. Honestness.
Pass a month and I got MP and work. She must have money, no?
Oh, you see that mean I see you.
Oh. A long time I know her, man.
And the always
What's your name?
see you.
No, you do. See TVs on you. No.
Big man for tie. Hold on, let's hold on, man. It's easy, you know. You don't have a fight, man. Let's hold on, now fight. But that one. Come. Easy, man. Now fight. Let's take time, man.
You did it, no?
Yeah, man. Sorry. Tell them, man. water. Show up. Let's bowl. Show up.
I don't know.
Alright, pull on water. Please have a cup. Start it. Please come off of this now. Please come off of this. Water and more.
Inside.
Alright. Lean over them. Hold him. No man, hold this. I'll cut that piece off. Hold him. Just hold him now. I'll drip off the piece off. Put him on drip off the piece. You like on the other side. I'll drop off the piece.
I see.
I'll put please for him. I'm not trying. What do you need it? Oh. A little piece of the shrimp.
Not sure, no, that's to make it go in more.
No. I'll pass this. You see like how we put the piece and fit in the piece?
Yeah.
See what I do?
No, we can't see the efficient.
Down back. Now board are flexing, that's what the board. What the board, make it come now. What it's saying, mister, that's what it. Something is happening.
It's flexible. Flexing.
What piece of ply that we have? Look at short piece. Look at that. The ply itself, go and join this up.
Well, chef, you know, some I feel like we cook some rundown.
Sure, lady.
Me I cook, me can cook it.
Well, no, man.
Run down with all mackerel.
That's a piece of butter, man.
Look how long man.
With oats dumpling. If you can buy oats dumpling yet?
What?
Yeah. No. See there, wow chef, you never eat oats. You never eat oats dumpling. Natisha, you ever eat oats dumpling yet?
No, new to me.
Liquor, you ever eat oats dumpling? Naturally eat already, right? Eat oats dumpling, right?
Natural, no. Before I was dumplings, cassava, you know.
Cassava.
I know that.
Joe, you ever eat it before? Oats dumpling?
My mother let me eat that only cassava dumpling.
But you don't eat the oats one, so you want like a boil the oats dumpling then.
I never eat greater can dumpling use need up on dumpling. Can itself.
Come, go sit them thing whenever you
So them greater the can?
Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on.
The dry.
Yeah, go on.
country eat that.
It have been missing, a lot of history have been missing, you know?
The dry can, a great idea.
No, green can!
Green
I can
can.
always make porridge, I'm neat up now, nice and natural.
Oh, yeah.
Mother.
So I'm going to try that one then too. The green can itself, that's a great idea.
Yeah, man! Natural! Why do you think people live so long and they live to a certain year and sickness? And because of natural grains they eat. Now, what you think, when you look point, you know, most of the food we eat, you know, it have to produce because the population gets so big, it have to produce by fertilizer to get population and feed them because mass production. Now, you see how come now? A liquid man throat and look boy.
True. So I shall boil some oats dumpling for you then today.
Yeah, go up on level now.
Eh? Coconut dumpling.
Them short all the ingredients.
Yeah. It's true, the goat dumpling. But the oats dumpling nice too. I'm going to buy some salt mackerel. And buy a box of oats.
Hammer!
And the flour. Hammer! Easy. So we sell salt mackerel.
I'm walk over here and go
You can buy the corn oats over there right now first. And the box.
I'm buying over here and buy
What? How much salt mackerel? 2 pounds?
2 pounds. 2
pounds of work?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. 2
How old
pounds.
them? Eh?
Yeah, man. That's not work. You know.
How old it then?
No, I know what about it.
Okay. Alright, so buy 2 pounds of salt mackerel.
2 to the salt. 2 pounds. How
2 to the salt mackerel, me go and go buy.
much was that? Pound.
1 box of oats.
Buy the box oats. Yeah. The bag one. Anyone?
Big and small.
Or small oats.
Big one.
Small one.
The big one himself.
You go on and come. We get a bag and get call from Tompa. Yeah, Thomas him have some call for me. Oats dumpling, Mr. Oats dumpling. Oats dumpling, I'm telling about oats dumpling. The oats dumpling. Well, so guys, Keen are going to the kitchen to cook some oats dumpling. Right, today I'm in the kitchen cooking some oats dumpling and salt mackerel rundown. I feel like cooking. Some dumplings. Praise the Lord. Me I go cook some oats dumpling and some salt mackerel rundown and thing. Me I go cook some dumpling, oats and hey.
You can't go nowhere else. Anyone who skill with them, bro. When me a boy, I got things like you gotta put it and steam like Carl. Nice.
What that?
Like Carl, that's in a Carl. Jokoto.
What?
Jokoto.
So that's selling a market there.
Of course, Jokoto.
Yeah.
That sounds like it's coming from Africa. Jokoto. Prefect ever hear about Jokoto before? But naturally, you see, naturally grow with him grandmother, you know. Not for want to grow with mommy. It's good to grow with grandma. When grandma is cooking, trust me. You get something. Naturally, I'm going to know about. Well. So guys, so here I'm telling you, I'm going to do some oats dumpling, you know, so I'm going to need a dumpling. Put them on them. Oats way, you know, put some oats in the flour, you know, and knead it with a little bit of cornmeal, so you know the thing go. And boil it in some coconut water. Boil in some coconut milk. Right, that's what we're going to do. Boil it in some coconut milk. Oh. Alright guys, as what I'm saying, I'm a creative chef. Everybody cook different. So me I cook this way. So see we have the flour here. And in Jamaica they mix the flour with the cornmeal. As you can see, them put some cornmeal in it, so it's alright. The cornmeal is good inside. I see me, I'm gonna do it with some oats, you know. So we have the oats. So this is the oats. Fosca oats. So this is how we're doing it today. Let's make him get them now. Yeah, so we have the Fosca oats here today. And we have Esther. Esther, come here, Esther. You know, I'm gonna do the oats dumpling. Yeah, oats and thing. Oats dumpling today. Oats dumpling. So, but it's a light parts and oats with them. Yes, but yeah, you know. Should we get the coconut and grate it? I would just use the coconut powder. I use the coconut powder. Alright. So guys, we're gonna use the coconut powder. That's all we're gonna do it. So this is all we're gonna do it today. So you see, don't fight in the world itself. We're not gonna die. We're not gonna stay alive. You see, because the oats dumpling I eat almost every day. One of my special that. Yeah. You ever eat that lady? No. Never. Esther, do you ever eat it? No. So you see, a lot of them don't. Viewers, you ever eat it yet? Who say yes and who say no? So if you say no, you can join them. And who say yes, you can join me. But today they're gonna know. Yeah, alright. So hold on then, so stay tuned. So here's the cornmeal and here's the oats. So we have Esther, all this one please. What are we gonna show? We'll show them one. So guys, remember, you know, everybody cook different. Hold up the camera. So if you cook the way or you cook, me don't cook that way. Right? 7 brothers, 7 different minds, but you have billion people in this world have billion different minds. Billions. So this is how we're gonna do it. See there? So in Jamaica, we have the flour in the cornmeal also. You know. At the first, I'm not gonna make so much dumpling. Yeah, so at the first I'm gonna make so much dumpling. So when I cook for so much people.
So it might spoil.
So it can't. At the time I should leave some meat, but it can't spoil.
Leave some for if anything.
It can't spoil with it right next to the shop. So this is what? Much flour does him say? What is 3 pounds of flour? And this is the oats.
Much oats that? Look on the box and tell them much oats.
So, she want to tell you.
Look on, yeah.
Oh, here so. So it's a
400 grams.
400 grams.
14.1 ounce.
So I guess. Like them never eat it like this. So come here, look. So this is it. So we're adding the oats. into the flour. So guys, you cannot go wrong. Cause remember, you know, oats you can eat oats when you soak it with liquid milk and drink it like that. And yeah man. Alright, see there, so the oats gone nice and thing. So you know, so like, remember you boil oats, you can boil oats and eat it. Right? Oats porridge and everything. So it's not far off.
No, my time.
It's not far off from the same. So the first time I'm going to eat it. So there you go. So right now I'm going to be perfect on the water judgment. Alright, so guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to need the flour. Alright guys, so I'm putting on my apron. So you know once in the kitchen, we have Natisha grandma around here putting on for me. Here. So Mickey Mouse build a house. So right now we are building dumpling. We're not building no house, we're building dumpling. Yes, come on, man. Alright, well. So guys, you see here. Oats dumpling finished need. Well need and ready. You see this called build muscle. It's called build a muscle. When you do them things, build a muscle. Muscle build. It's called build a muscle. So it's good to need dumplings. So if you want a good way of working out. Yeah. Suppose you have one in there. It's called build a muscle. So the muscle them build right now. Stand up. See there? Turn the camera in there. So this is the oats dumpling ready. So cover it. Cover and make it go and simmer down. You can put over this. Manners. Alright, so that is that. Watch out, man. Wow, the water then stay over there.
Water.
Yeah, the fire light already?
Oh yeah man, fire iron is very man.
Well, guys, I'm the chef for today. Check me out in the kitchen making oats dumpling. So see the pot over here, so. Hey, wow, chef, want the next fire, you know? I'm a Mickey Mouse.
Oh boy.
Mickey Mouse. I'm not building a house, I'm building dumpling. I'm building oats. Yeah. So my team members they never eat the oats dumpling yet. And true, Mr. Mama cook that almost every day whenever I'm cooking my dumpling. So I make them taste it. You know? Better see.
And me have to taste that.
You have to taste.
Today.
Come look, see the oats dumpling now? Just well, you have to go try it. So this is the oats dumpling.
Yeah.
Well neat. Already. So we use the one box of Vasca oats. You know, that's the oats. And we're doing that with run up and down. So cooking run up and down.
Yes.
That's what it called. Salad mackerel run up and down. That's what we're cooking today. You know, run up and down. So light parks now. Yeah. You'll try the new style. And you're not gonna like it. Oats dumpling. Yeah.
That is it.
So tell them said Mickey Mouse build a house.
Yeah, see there?
But I'm building dumpling today.
That is it. Dumpling house.
Dumpling house we're building today.
Yeah.
So our chef over here catching up the fire, guys, as you can see. Our chef is here catching the fire. So you know, one fire for the dumpling, one fire for the salad mackerel. When me are cooking, guys, you can't bother with the slow cooking, man.
Yeah, man,
fast. So fire for your blaze.
Blaze up, man. I get this blaze, you know.
Fire for your blaze, guys. So I always hide my talent, you know. Cause show me that man, I cook for myself. I'm always hide my talent, so now I'm going to show the talent. So what did them see the Aki season rice and them I say, yo, the Aki season rice are gone, you know. So I give them one more recipe today. You know, the oats dumpling, I tell you about oats dumpling. Oats dumpling, I tell you about oats dumpling. And mackerel and thing. Oats dumpling, I tell you about the oats dumpling. I go cook it with some rundown and mackerel and thing. Hey, oats dumpling, I tell you about the oats dumpling. Esther.
Oats dumpling. You're not in the bathroom before when you in the fire.
Yeah,
how much like there?
That more battery than I want to go and run down the little bit.
Left for 5 crowd.
Andrew. So you never eat oats dumpling before?
No.
There's so much people never eat it before. Come here, blingers. You ever eat oats dumpling before? No. There's so much people not eat it. Whoa.
How tell about that one?
I always cook it.
Oats dumpling?
Yeah. That one. So I always cook it. So when you done the circle for that one, yeah? Yes. Oats dumpling, I tell you about oats dumpling. Oats dumpling, I tell you about oats dumpling. Me a cook it down with some mackerel and thing. Coconut water and boil up and thing. Oats dumpling, I tell you about oats dumpling. Me a cook it down with some mackerel and thing. Coconut powder, it a go boil and thing.
When bleed come a different segment.
When bleed come a madness. In the region, wait till when Rasta Jackson real. Wait till the guys come just put on the salt mackerel. Ah, my dog. Cool now, so guys, so the salt mackerel. So the salt mackerel now I go boil. So while the salt mackerel I go boil now, you can just, the water now, not ready yet for boil over here. So the water go and boil as I'm chewing the coconut powder in it and go and dissolve out and everything. Oh, chef, you get the coconut powder for me?
Oh, never been up in a drawer.
Go over a shop. Now go for it. Joe, the coconut powder there, please.
Yeah?
Coconut powder. 3 of them. Yeah.
Get them all.
Yeah. Caribbean way. Alright, so now I put the seasoning thing now. Alright. So these are my seasoning. So we have my onion, we have my tomato, we have the pepper, we have the okra, we have the scallion, sweet pepper, and we have some carrot. Then a small, we are working what we have. So this is what we have. Oh, jelly never given a time, so we have that.
Oh, you have time, man.
This time.
This time.
You go over the weather, the original time. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I'm just preparing my seasoning for the rundown. No, I make it stay today. I have to kill yourself, man. Yeah, so this is the seasoning I'm cooking. I'm cutting up for the salt mackerel. Come on close now, wow. You've gone so far. I'll show you the video. So I'm cutting, so this is my onion and my tomato already. And the sweet pepper, them call it a bell pepper.
Bell pepper, wow.
Yeah. And see me have my okra them here. I like to taste okra them, see? Hold it up. I like to taste my okra them. So you see when you go like this and it bend, it's no good.
Yeah.
Right, so I like to taste my okra them.
Good.
That's what I like to taste them. So I like to put tough okra in a pot. Spoil the vibes. Oh chef, what the camera go down?
Yeah, man. Really, man.
Yes. See the one them where I bend. Them one them I work with. Alright. So, alright. So that was it, guys. So I'm gonna wash it.
Yeah.
Wash it and dim. You have to wash it, so see this, so you have the okra as well too. You know, so I like to get out the ends. So this is Kino in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, real man, is it?
That our chef today.
Yeah, man.
And I cook the dumpling for the man and the oats dumplings.
Yeah, I never eat the oats dumpling yet, so I'm going to try and now. So, you know, so I have the oats now, I can say you get some flour.
Yeah.
To calm me, you know? Yeah, man, I eat that.
Tell me, man, them so tell them how okra good for our chef.
Yeah, man, okra good for your back, you know. Yeah, man, that's why you see them type of food there. You have to have okra in it.
Yeah. So
the okra now kill the taste. The okra now just give the flavor and the taste and everything.
Enhance it.
Yeah. You see me, we're just gonna mix up with the carrot, the eye food. Yeah, man, this me telling about people, you see this. You see this, me telling about, you never remember it, scallion. Yeah, man, until you fix, you faint, man, just rub up the scallion for your nose, man. Just block it up and rub it up for your nose. And so fast, I get up back. Yeah, man, the onion can do it, you know, but the scallion more, you know. Yeah, man.
So
good for your eye, man, so the food, you know, the eye food, you know, the carrot. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, come in, have the carrot and I eat the carrot and I drink the carrot juice. And I look from way out. Come like that eagle eye, I look from, you know. Yeah, man, eagle left and way up, I look down. Isn't it? Yeah, man. So the eagle are going, you know, so carrot good for your eye. If the eye hurt a certain way, just eat 2 carrot. If the eye hurt a certain way, man. So
eat 2 carrot.
Yeah, man, I feel so. Yeah, man, just want to chop 1 carrot or 2, man. You know? Second whole communities just see everything just, you know, some eye stop hurt me, you know, the carrot they just don't eat. Yeah, man. So I say, S-type good for your man, the eye, man. Yeah, man, good for your eye, you know. Yeah, man. Okra good for your back. Yeah, man, to eat the scallion, you know.
The onion good for?
The onion good for prostate and, you know, good for man use. Yeah, man, tomato blood food, man. You know what I say?
The scallion good for?
People just tell them to the scallion, you know, when they have fix and you feel it, you just show up the scallion for you.
What's up, Doc?
Yeah, man, same thing.
What's up, Doc?
Alright.
Wait again.
Yeah.
What's up, Doc? You know, so you eat a carrot.
Yeah, man, you see, eye food, that eye food.
So what the time good for now?
Yeah, the time, you just put the time in your pot, you know, the time good, you can boil tea.
Alright, so finally, we get the original time.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Smell up the pot.
No. That's the one, this is
So guys, so my seasoning now. You have onion, you have okra, you have tomato, sweet pepper, and carrot. And I have my pepper.
What the pepper good for, Garden?
Pepper. Watch out the pepper. Alright, I'm just the pepper on this for now. Alright guys, so you see that? Alright, the water start boil. Also, coconut powder, yeah? You go and boil out. That's what that. So see there, if you go and boil out. Alright, so we have the coconut thing to go and boil out. So my guys, I'm put in the scallion and thyme in the pot. Smell it, Riley. Smell it. Jeez! We got look at all purpose. Look now, bro, coming up. Smell that? Guys, can you smell the aura? Smell nice. It smell nice. Oh, guys, you turn on cold stove? Good. Good. Them say, you gauge cold stove? You turn it down by the coal? Esther, smell my pot. Esther, smell my pot. How is it smelling?
Smelling good.
Guys, so see there. Are you smelling it, guys? So you know once this eat 2 minutes, can cook in my dumpling, then go on. Boil next, you know, say dumpling next, you know you think though. No, alright, so guys, so here's the coconut. It's the oats here, oats dumpling, so I'm gonna need it now and drop it in the pot. You know, at the first, me I cook for so much people. As I said, I don't cook for so much people, so many people. And me as a man, I don't make big dumplings, so it seems like I forgot to make these bigger. You know?
Big pot, yeah, cook
big pot. So I cook in the big pot for the big team.
It's our ship on a boat.
Yeah, see there? Quick roll. So you can say keen and lazy. Mummy Michelle grew me well. Don't take Mummy. Esther, come a video lady. Mummy grew me well, you know. Right, Mummy? How much dumpling you can get out of 3 pounds of flour?
No, but the ice are not good in the citrus land. The all-purpose.
Yes. Don't teach that one, yeah.
Yeah, man, go on, man, Jesus, man. Don't pick my food, no, man, can't try.
Yeah. Esther, look now. So I go on. Yes, I would like to see how I go on. So see there? You see, a while ago, make 2 big ones, them going back to the small thing. Because we used to make them small.
Yeah, man, small.
So if you make them small, I'm going to be here for the whole day.
Make some cartwheel.
I make some cartwheel. So see that is one bearing wheel. How much dumpling that I got now? How many dumplings that I got now?
About 5.
5.
Yeah.
Oats dumpling, I tell about oats dumpling. Oats dumpling, I tell about oats dumpling. Oats never make so much dumpling in my life. Jeez, I'm crying. Don't catch me and cook for a big party. I couldn't do it.
Cook out.
I don't cook out. You know? Jeez,
the water, they, you know,
yes,
don't.
Let her go float, you know. How much are we going to cook? 3, 4, 6, 7.
So about a 7 about 28 dumplings, then you go want to, but you go want about 4.
Once them eat it, I'm going to want more.
Yeah.
But that's for sure. Natural. Making it work.
What's dumpling? What's yeah.
So we have Esther, the video personnel, but guys, if you see it now video good, you know what's on me and Esther at the end. Of course, you're not starting.
You're not starting.
Oh, we had a bread, right?
Yeah. But my bread big.
You still not done by the time to fry that.
Exactly.
Chicken banana give take an hour to fry.
Lord God, we not nice right now, we know.
Yes, man, she's alright. Rasta Jackson, you ever eat oats dumpling before? Oats.
Oats dumpling?
Yeah. See, she never eat it. Rasta Jackson, you? Never eat it either. Jackson never ate it. Hey, so we don't think oats porridge. Alright. You think oats, so they see me take a soup. Wow, chef. The same guy was saying to hold on it. I call him. I make it mean. What you want? Any amount you want. You can eat half one chicken back?
By your own.
Maybe when I fry it. Alright guys, so this is it now. Oats dumpling. So I make it go on. Smell good, right? Jeez. If I make your Esther, I say it smell good. Oh, look. Oh, come here. How the pot look?
Look different.
Different. How you got that coconut inside it. Yeah. Or I'm so cold. What? So Esther, this is it, right? It smells good. Guys, Esther said it smells good. So we have the oats dumpling here, already made. So I don't know how much my first it I go serve for. It look like some make some too big. But oats dumpling, we're gonna go oats dumpling. Oats dumpling, we're gonna go oats dumpling. Me a cook it up with some mackerel and thing. Me a Rasta Jack, see that one there? Me a cook it up with some mackerel and thing.
Oh, chef then. Oh, chef, the girl call you.
Oh, chef,
The
you want to
girl.
fry the chicken back here? Yeah.
The girl call you. What you mean?
Guys,
pop right now, say bubble.
yeah.
But you can't.
Want
Yeah.
some more fire and eat it. So meanwhile, alright, so we have the season ready. And then
Wow, chef, have to go with him there.
Come
Add
down.
more.
cool. Wow, chef.
Wow, chef, add more coal in it. Mama.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, let me see what I go on. Alright, water boiling up. As what I say, only no crucify me like Jesus on the cross. So I'm gonna put him on coconut powder. I'm not using no coconut milk. So same for the same. So here's my coconut powder. Remember, you know, everybody cook different. Remember, everybody cook different. So every brother serve a different mind, right? So this is how we do. We make the coconut powder boil it first in the water, right? So we make this done custard. So once this done custard, you know what I make is dumpling. So I'm sure now go on dumpling pot in the dumpling pot. Dumpling pot in the dumpling pot. Tell you about the oats dumpling pot. Let me have some big dumpling. Yes, this is the oats dumpling now, cooking down with some coconut milk. Just imagine that. It run down and thin. Yes guys, me know. Everybody cook different, right? So this is how Kino is creating his pot right here in Trenchtown and the spot. Oats dumpling. That is that. Oats dumpling, tell about oats dumpling. Oats dumpling, tell about oats dumpling. Me a cook it down in some rum dumpling. Me a cook it down with some oats dumpling. So even this can drink this like a soup right now. Can drink it like a soup. We never grow up to sit down and not doing nothing. Say Kino go and cook. Your sister need food. And see coconut powder go and coconut meat go and boil out. You know? So I go on with the fire. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comment section. How is it looking? How is it looking? You know? And the probably I say Kino turn big chef all of a sudden. No. Kino can cook a long time. Pick me and cook. You probably don't see me cooking on YouTube, but trust me. Mommy, tell them the mommy. Sister Felicia, tell them no. Tell them no man, Demo and go. Tell them no Demo and go man. Tell them no man. Tell them no man. Tell them no man. See the man. look, I'm cooking. Kids playing football. Kids right here. Pot there right here. You know, Frenchtown are the place. And football are play there, so. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put in my seasoning now. Put in the seasoning now. And the coconut powder. So see there? Right now. Jeez! Beautiful. So this is where we have the seasoning now. Miserable the pot, miserable. Miserable the pot, son, miserable. Cannot be pot it well, miserable. Miserable. Let me tell you about the miserable pot. Alright, here we add little water down in that. Make it simmer, simmer right down to the pot. Simmer, simmer, simmer right down to the pot. Jeez! That is what I'm looking for. Look on that look. Look, twin! This is what I'm looking for. See it there? So now I'm going to put in my salt mackerel. Fixed up yesterday, so I'm going to put in the salt mackerel now. In the pot. In the pot. Put the salt mackerel down in the pot. In the pot. The pot here smell good till it almost one drop. So let's see, this is it now guys. Going back to Africa to live in. Guys, we have all our guests today who want to taste the oats dumpling and the salt mackerel run down. You see that? I speak it in the universe and everybody want to taste it now. Speak it in the universe and everybody want to taste it now. So imagine that. So I'm going to add a little all-purpose to it. So add a little all-purpose, you know, add a little seasoning to the thing. As I'm saying, everybody going to talk about that one. Everybody going to talk about that one. You know, you know how I cook?
Yeah, I can see it, man, you're going good.
So I go on.
Yeah.
So I cook some oats dumpling. You ever eat oats dumpling yet?
No, no cassava.
Aye. And this man is a vegan, you know, but he never eat the oats dumpling yet.
I'm not going to tell lie.
You know, the amount of people I'm asked. And this is the rundown.
Yeah.
You know, hold it look. So we have a cameraman for the minute.
For the minute.
Hey, thanks, I want to make my dance.
Yeah, I can't even taste it.
He can't even taste it because he don't eat meat. He's a vegan. Never wonder for me that. Boom, Michelle, you teach me that.
People see it there? He got skills.
He got skills. It's not only football or cricket skills, or singing or dancing skills. They got all the skills. Can I tell them in a Frenchtown is a primary school, basic school, primary school, high school, college, university, and for graduates. Here is where you learn the world. If you live in Trenton, you don't learn how to survive. It's alright.
Oh, it's still on?
Yeah.
Oh, I have to stop the screen.
Yeah, if you live in Trenton, you don't learn anything, boy. Hey. I want to make my dance. Whoa! Come here. I don't want them say. I show me a cook. Come here, come on here, so come. Taste what I go on.
One thing I look like I go.
Yeah.
No, I'm taste come out, I'm going too fast. You know?
No, I don't want you don't do all that sauce, you know.
Fast.
Because I only for dumpling you have to share.
Yeah.
Watch him close him eye. That means that something is going with the pot then, Keynote.
It's a dry out too much.
They say want more juice in that.
It's a dry out too much of the gravy.
Catch him. Whatever I said.
He can't even speak. Oh my.
I'm speechless.
It's a touch it there, it's gone.
You tell him, man. You tell him.
Yeah, man, Rick, man, January, you know, say January. We have a bun man a while, I go steal the button, I tell you.
Whoa! Worth it, alright.
Yeah, you don't want to cook down no more, Rick, watch it.
That is it.
That is it, you
No
see,
more cook down, you know, guys. This is
No
it.
more cook down.
No.
Run down.
Because what happen, you know, when it cool down, the gravy are going to make rich now, you know.
Alright.
Rick, I don't want to taste it no more, so I'm going to get my dumpling in my plate, you know. So for the plate, I'm going to nick, you know.
Alright, guys, so light parks, I'm going to do the shearing. Right now, because them say sharing is scary. Alright, let's see the coconut dumpling. You know, I will have Becca sprang. Make sure him come forward to feed auntie one. That one you should fly down all the way from the USA.
Yeah, man.
You know? Yeah. All the way from the USA. You know? 2 is good for her? Alright, 2 is good for her. Like.
Yeah, because it's heavy.
A lady, you know.
Yeah, and heavy.
Heavy, right? Where is the spoon? Yeah. I remember the oats tonight. You know, so see that.
That's why I know she get some good Jamaican food. You hear
Yes.
that? And Keno have that there for you.
She come the right time.
Man, right on the rock, you
The
know.
right time. Just too bad she don't want to be on the camera, but the taste will tell her. Check it out. Yes, I like I fixed up something for her. So she get the okra and thing. See there, the love it bring from my hair. Can you imagine how much mouth water I run while I'm watching this right now? Jeez! Pan the dumpling, drop it pan the dumpling now. Jeez! Becca's friend, take out the fat.
Yeah, man, Bob Marley said, a porridge to share with you, you know. But so what we got to share with you, you know. This we got today and a porridge we got today. Hear that?
Oats dumpling.
Oats dumpling we got.
Run down.
See there?
And a Georgia there today now, Keno there today.
Yeah.
So nobody feel like a porridge there, yeah?
There's something different today. Worship and lighting up for lift a muscle. Today.
Just share.
Just share. And I'll go and video around here. To see them. She's getting the first place. She's the guest. Yes, man.
Yo, Keno, respect, you know. You know what the thing go, man. One family, you know. Yeah,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Up and running.
Alright. So we have Rasta Jackson and Natural around the corner. Oats dumpling, me tell about Oats dumpling. Oats dumpling, me tell about Oats hey.
Try them two dumplings.
Yeah, I don't know how much I make. I don't know how much I make. But I think I make some big and some little. When I realize the flour done, just cut down on the size. Just cut down on the size straight away. I realize I wait then I go too hard. Shabba!
So how much plate you are share now?
Well, Joe them not come down yet. And Natisha up there so as well to them up at the scanner put in somewhere.
Yeah, but what we should share it and put it down?
Yeah.
Have enough place to cover them.
Alright, let me see them. Go scanner, natural, pretty fake, and Rasta Jackson. Go share them under them. Go give them like for them around them. Let's rest it. Go out, eat. This looks good.
Get some flour from June now, but some flour from June. I'm going to she explode just like a bomb.
So guys, just tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about Chino in the kitchen. Whoa. Lydia going to share, so me done cook now, so Lydia share. Ah, I'm blessed the general, cool. You know what the thing already. Yes, I. That is it. Yeah, that one I said. Yeah, so nice. See there. Jackson, see there. But naturally. Natural. Wow, there. Prefect, I got sample the oats dumpling with the oats dumpling. Well, Bible man. You don't have to tell them no lies.
That is it. Yeah, man.
See it there?
To the first. Yeah, shot, you know?
Shot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the oats dumpling with the
Oats
rundown.
dumpling. Straight coconut milk. Straight coconut milk. So I got the chef.
Yes,
Cleaner chef today.
Tell him I never want to cook for nobody, no. Because I don't want to cook every day. Yeah.
Sample
Sample that first.
That's nice, man. Wow.
Yeah. Hey, man, Jackson.
Coconut milk is nice too. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Dumpling with the oats. You have a taste now.
You're a dumpling lover still now, but
yeah,
we'll try that one.
It's a one spin off right now.
Yeah.
So the oats there night. Yeah.
Jackson.
With a texture. Yeah. Like some oats porridge. I suppose it's not a little delicate, you know?
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Tender. And just a tender. Jackson.
Tender, man. Hold on.
You talk about that, eh?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold on. He said, hold on, man. He said, hold on, man. He said, hold on, man.
The door cut different from the next door, it mix up.
Yeah.
Because it's really having the oats.
And cornmeal.
Mile, you know?
Yeah, it's having the cornmeal as well.
Yeah.
So it's all different.
I'm a dumpling person, you know. So you hear me, I say, boy, I taste that. I'm fast, you know?
Esther! Come in. Come on, Esther, come grab yours. Jackson, what you saying?
It's wonderful, huh?
Wonderful.
It's delicious, man. Yeah, man.
Guys, I'm not telling like you I'm here, you know.
No.
You see me? Not because I'm here.
I'm not going to eat what they want to.
Hold on, you can't.
You can always get things flavor, you know. You never boil part, put on it.
Get the flavor.
Anyway, use the coconut milk, man. Always nice and always bad.
Alright.
Natural, man. It's me until you know.
Yeah.
Two dumplings, I say anything is small, always nice. You know.
Yeah.
Two dumplings alone. Yeah? What are them ones?
Yeah.
Can you count?
Yeah, man. We're going to get more dumpling then. That's why we say we have to test the waters first.
Yeah.
You test the waters first. You know?
Yeah.
Right?
Excellent.
Excellent. But that's why I'm saying I really want to cook. I'm cook. I always want to cook.
Grace of a call him to go in the kitchen or Grace.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Grace? Yeah, we'll call it A1 quality.
Grace have got to call me.
Yeah.
Grace, hear that? We'll get Esther for your one right now. So whenever I see me put on my apron, natural, don't play with me.
Alright.
Alright. Mickey Mouse when building no house, we building dumpling. Right? Alright. Esther, do you get your one yet? Esther, trying.
Hey, where's the man?
See that. Esther, what's that to take?
What's the board?
That's the board, man.
Joe, right here, we have tests right here, man. We must have the oats dumpling, you know. And the salt mackerel rundown.
with it.
Esther, what's going on with the oats dumpling?
Tastes like oats dumpling, no?
It tastes like oats dumpling.
Alright, whoa.
Oh, Jano. Oh, them use oats to make the dumpling, and you just make a cup of oats and drink. People don't ask me which one I prefer.
Which one?
Can't know, people don't ask me for it. No, come up here.
Yeah.
Yo, This me I work with.
Yeah.
I start drink oats porridge.
Yeah.
When I drink oats porridge, I mix oats with the last one mix.
Yeah.
What is the oats and dumpling? My God. God.
You are going now.
Alright.
Yo.
Alright.
You know, play my food here.
In the back.
Back food, no?
Yeah.
Yo.
That's what Joseph was said, no, China man.
No.
Yeah, the China man.
When you're eating salt mackerel, it's like a 3-course meal. First, you oat the okra
Oh, my God.
on the fork. You take a piece of this mackerel on the fork. You look for a piece of the scallion or the thyme, whatever
Yeah,
season,
carrot.
okra, whatever night, and put on the thyme like kebab. It come like kebab, you put kebab on stick.
Yeah.
Alright. When you put everything together now, you get the main course, the dumpling.
Jeez.
That means say you taste every flavor.
You know, one.
Whoa,
Magnifico. Flavor. Spice. Nice.
Nice.
Remember.
Dumpling, Esther.
New favorite.
New favorite.
Yeah, flavor.
Yes. It's not flavor, it's favorite.
Flavor.
It's new favorite.
Next time when I shave a dumpling, I must cut it up here. My mother always cut up my dumpling.
Okay. Here.
You know, when I first eat them oats dumpling, I forgot to taste it right now.
Yeah. The oats dumplings. Yeah, man, you can get some of the water for drink. I eat at the bad part too. I eat at the bad part.
You want dumpling?
Oats dumpling, that is the oats dumpling.
Can't talk.
Can't talk. What Esther, you go on, man? Esther, go on, man. It's a little of two dumpling like it was not even one in there. And boom, say can't talk. Him have to go and buy it first.
Filling.
Yeah. Him have to go and fill the gap.
I'm not going to try this, you know.
You have to go try.
Say new flavor.
New flavor in the building. The oats dumpling.
Yeah, I can eat dumpling.
Want the next dumpling?
Whoa.
Can you go make more dumplings?
Yes, perfect.
I'm going to Russia.
When the rest of the man them come.
Yeah, well, if you come to get another dumpling.
Yeah. Alright then, perfect.
Yes, there was dumpling there.
Yeah.
It was, you know?
Yeah.
One thing you need a little
Water.
crystal champagne.
To flush it down the
Yes,
drain.
and it's just like that.
Yes, to flush it down the drain, right? What Esther?
Get new flavor in the kitchen. New flavor.
If you rate, the rating is from 1 to 10.
Yeah.
Well, can get the 10 out of 10.
What?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Esther.
100 out of 10.
Jesus Christ. Whoa. What was still I eat on here?
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. Can't take 5 out of 10. I must leave it 10 and done. 10 out of 10. I tell it there now. Yeah, man.
Whoa, what if I use 2 fast?
Yeah, man.
You say 1 too soft.
Yeah.
Or one for the mackerel.
No, this up a rice later. Pound of rice, look more. And the gravy me I work quick. As I said, you call them dumpling and done quick. So I just put look rice on the side and I'm done.
Yeah.
Only thing that everybody get food now, look a gravy left on the pot. My one.
Yeah,
man.
rice.
You want to come?
God, if you get everything out there.
You want dumpling?
Natish, what I go on? Oats dumpling, me tell you about oats dumpling. Yeah, that's Mikey Brown.
Not remember Mikey Brown.
Yeah. Mikey, yo, forgot about Mikey Brown.
I taste good and I'm really cool.
Yeah, just
Actually, one hand dumpling
cook Mikey Brown.
Did you promise him?
No, because I'm up there as well.
No, I never remember him. True.
Oh, chef, I'm gonna make a fried piece of chicken for him.
Yeah, man. Got the thing, then we get the thing, man. Just get them from July.
Like how you have fried this.
Yeah, so we have more over there fries.
Yeah. Get a pound. And pot water, a nice part that man. I just get a pound of chicken for me there. Nice.
Oh, me want to talk it on the camera.
There, what you say?
Kill your hand, bad man.
Yeah.
Yeah, my new name again. Oats dumpling.
Oats dumpling.
Run down. Bad.
Thumbs up.
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10.
Yeah.
Rochef, run away with the pot water.
Drink like porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. We want to explore the pan video car. Boy, I say.
No, what you down everything.
Brother! Yo!
Sister!
Yo, Latisha! What?
Wait, they give you some porridge. So no porridge man, remember oats, you know. Cook down in a coconut milk well seasoned down, you know.
Zion!
Don't tell us already, I said shoot. We want to talk. Yo, buddy, yo, hold on there. Yo, Dalpe. Yo, knock up this.
Dalpe, what go on?
Water.
They say more dumpling.
More water. More dumpling more than that, man. I'm just a genius, boy. It's not genius.
Yeah.
It's genius. Right?
Yeah.
Not with one dashing plate.
Jax, boom, Devo and dash on the plate. Jax Devo and dash on the plate star. Don't cry, man. Don't get me cry.
Let me tell you, boom from
I can't handle them things at all. I cause problem.
Two dumpling, I'm going to teeth them with brush off. No, look while to blow you.
Just, so right now, so where is it? Who the thief look at dumpling right now?
No, sir, your mother want to fight out there.
You should water plate out there, I'm collect it. And move it and roll out, each up there.
She would have played that look at boom, see her collect it. He said, no, man. Where you going? Oh, bad though.
And first, the market, I try a little bit to get to make it even worse.
All of it enough. Next time I make a bigger pot.
Should I get more?
But yo, when I start with the dumpling, I realize that I start with them too big. Right size. That means I need a 3.5 pound of flour, so I need more flour.
People hanging.
Yeah.
Can I can do that?
Sorry man, next time.
That's my plate, you know.
Eh?
That's my plate, you know, birthday.
He said, nah, that's a
man, that's a boom of free plate. That's enough free plate, so I'm touching my plate. No, birthday.
Normally when you cook gravy, them they leave the plate, so I look on the plate there.
Yeah, tell it to you.
Right.
We want more.
We are food strike.
We want more. Come on. We want more.
Food strike. Jackson, what is that?
We want more.
Food strike.
Come on to me. We want more.
Food strike.
You need to do it to spite. I can't give you 2 dumplings, no man. You know where I do.
Peter, that is how your plate looks so.
Yeah, like
Jenna, what go on, Jenna? Oh, Jamila, how you give her a dumpling? Show your mother. Eh? You can't believe everybody get 2. Appear 2. Just.
We tell me to put them 2 for later. That's why I think never care about when you come to bed. It's too bad, you know.
Hey. Yo, ask Nakisha.
Nakisha can't sell that dumpling. Where is dumpling? Can't sell that dumpling. When? I don't know what crime one correct one go. Which day? Which hour? Which day? Which hour? I have a toast, I'm not sell mine. Now when I find that, I have me no want it. Me don't want it.
Nah, sell it.
My dumpling.
Jella, what go on? Jella vex right now.
Yeah. Can't be back tomorrow.
Alright, let's do it back tomorrow. I gotta do it back tomorrow.
Nah, don't be fair, man.
First, I take genius and cooking though.
Yeah.
And the first you taste and cooking.
So everybody come with the black bean. You know what?
This bad is bread, you know. Party, you know.
Bad is bread.
No, I look at shorty bread.
Oh, so you're gone.
Yeah.
So it's full up.
I leave this now. I cry it up with it for shorty bread with two
Yeah.
slices.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not doing it. I'm putting them food.
Yeah.
One from me later.
Yeah. Aye, Jamila. Aye.
I'm like bad man. I didn't know that drinking.
Everywhere I drink, Jesus.
You know, you have to see more happy man.
Oh, too much work. Well, guys. So that's the saga for the day. Oats dumpling and salt mackerel run down. It was lovely. Till say my mother taught me well, you know. But true, me never even really want to cook for them because they don't know what time it is. You know? So guys, remember like before watching. Remember, subscribe. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.